Hello and welcome to AdvancedRx video tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at manage patients. Manage patients can be found in master manage patients. So we'll be looking at all the different tabs that we have in here. So in manage patients, the first tab is patient master. We have a complete different video on patient master. You can refer to that. Merge patient. Merge patient is an option where you can merge two patients. If you think they're duplicate, you can go and merge it into the from patient and to patient and just merge it. It's pretty simple and you can go and merge it. Then in manage patient, you have eligibility verification, which is the screen which was already there. So you go and select a patient which is already added, enter the ID and transmit. So once you transmit it, it would show up all the insurances that the patient has, and you can go ahead and add to insurance in this tab itself, and the insurance would be added to the patient. Okay, similarly in that manage patient, you have patient referral master where you can go ahead and add referrals for a patient. Then you have central storage central store patient search, in which you can go ahead and centrally, if you have multiple stores connected with AdvancedRx, you can go ahead and search patient in multiple stores, and you can import patients to this particular store that you have, that you're managing. And then you have send bulk text mail, where you can go ahead and send text messages, bulk emails to your patients, and you can manage the portal from here. Then in the same, you have med synchronization, where you can check those patients which are not enrolled for MedSync and enrolled for MedSync. So what you can do is you can select and search patients those are active. You can select them and enroll for MedSync. And similarly in non-enroll, what you do is you can go and search enroll patient, and you can just de-roll them from the enrollment. Okay, so here it shows a list of enrolled patients. What you do is you just select and remove from MedSync, and they would be removed. So this is manage patients, and that completes tutorial for manage patients. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.